They have just about everything, snakes and lizards and... Ow! That little guy just bit my finger.
Lammy is 39 jaar gelede in Johannesburg deur. Lammy? Oh!
I'm Stu Mills in Carlton Place with a story about a one-eyed...
Hey, oh, Rusty, are you okay?
I'm okay.
Now with this program, the pets have to be at least 40...
Maybe just the possibility of...
Whoa! Hey, cat.
I tried to get
Oh my God!
I'm gonna move you.
Thanks to the anonymous donor, more monkeys like my friend Udi here now have a forever home. Oh my gosh!
Ow!
Look, he's laughing.
That's funny.
He's laughing.
I'm done.
But because of their habitat being changed, they come on, girl. She will be here.
Researchers are hoping this new technology could eventually be introduced to zoos right around the world. But for visitors here at Melbourne Zoo, they may be lucky enough to experience it for themselves, with the trial running sporadically throughout the rest of the month.
And as you guessed it, he's horsing around as usual. Jeff?
David, we're going to make television history. I'm going to try to mount this bare-backed horse. Let me try here. Oh, we made it, but I think it's mad that I'm up here. Whoa!
Oh, gosh. Oh, no.
As I said, he was mad that I was up there.
मदारी बंदर और बंदर के बच्चे को नचाकर अपने लिए 2 वक्त की रोजी कमाते हैं। इनका कहना है कि महंगाई के इस दौर में अगर ये बंदर अपनी परफॉर्मेंस ना दे तो फिर इनके लिए रोजी कमाना मुश्किल हो जाता है। कैमरामैन इम्तियाज अली के साथ वसीम हैदर, समा, कराची।
Northern Indiana isn't the first place you'd expect to... Excuse me. Northern Indiana isn't the first place you'd expect to find about a dozen primates hanging out, but that's exactly what you'll see.
Ну, меня одноклассники привели тут это как посмотреть на животных, но оказалось, что тут можно по записи начать заниматься.
Это гениально сейчас было.
Two of the dogs are in isolation at Hanover Animal Control. They're still looking for the other 2. Meanwhile, other livestock owners...
No! Get it out!
He has like a strand of hair right there. And you're eating paper.
Were you rolling on that?
Yes, I was. I will look at that when I get back to the station.
I can't get... No.
A steel cage match at Springfield at the animal shelter today. Let's go to the action. Exclusive highlights here. Watch the guy in the brown go right for the jugular. The guy in the black and white is stunned momentarily. Guy in the brown gets a takedown, then a reversal. Then it gets into a boxing match. Series of rights. Right jab, right jab, right jab. Look at this. This is... Oh! He caught him in the jaw. Settle down, and then they'll start one more time with the jabs. There they go again. This is unbelievable. This is better, much better than a Jerry Cooney fight, without a doubt.
You can still see the tire tracks here where the cattle rustler pulled up to this entrance.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh my God. He came after me.
What's it going to be like on YouTube, Katie?
Oh my God. That is the first time that I have been attacked by a rooster at work. Let's try this again.
All right, before we go, we want to introduce you to Logan, who is definitely getting some tips from Garfield. Logan is a 31-pound cat who lives in New Hampshire Hotel. Stop. The 8-year-old is triple the weight of an average cat. He spends his days wobbling. I can't. In front of the Best Western.
This reminds me of anger management. His name is Meatball.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
And he's eating your crab cake right now.
I can't.
20 anos de idade, ela foi pra isso. Mostra aqui, mostra aqui, mostra aqui. Agora meu filho tá sujinho, viu? Ave Maria. Esse é preto, mas ele tá cinza da poeira. Deixa eu atrapalhar, deixa eu gravar minha passagem. Deixa. Eita, chega e gosta. Ah, dá. Ele quer ficar famoso, gato. Mas, rapaz.
But one last beauty shot of Burrito.
Oh.
I like that. He's kind of sniffing everything.
Man, that's a lot of slobber.
That. Wow.
Oh,
Where is this going? Where is this going?
Oh my God. What is happening? All right,
They always say animals and children
Right?
live TV.
You never know.
Go. Okay.
Privacy, please.
Are you okay?
You're my personal
Ashley?
I'm good. I'm here.
Bariti, she's married.
Oh my gosh.
She's married.
And he's like 9 months old too. He's getting a little
Dang
frisky. Hey there, fella. Hey there. Slow down.
This is good TV. Let's just keep it here.
Ashley's like, are we done? Okay, he's done.
Oh my gosh. He's done.
I love it.
Wow. That was so good.
It's time for the annual World's Ugliest Dog Competition. Oh, my word. What happened to that? Oh, I'm sorry. This competition takes place Friday in California. These are some of the contestants. Oh, my word. All right, the winner.
Sorry about that, folks. The winner gets $1,500. Organizers say it's not about making fun of the ugly child, but it's a way to showcase pets that don't meet the traditional standards of beauty. I'm not laughing at the pets, I'm laughing at Bob's reaction. Oh, their mamas love them, their mamas love them, and their owners love them too. Oh my.
Rolla at 8, Lake Ozark coming in at 9. Griffey wants to play, and okay, go get it. And I will say, Griffey loves the snow. We had to take 5 takes to try to potty just once. That's because he loves the snow that much. He just can't do it. Okay, hi, bud. All right, we are seeing some light winds, and if you're heading out the door, it's cold. Fort Leonard coming in at 0, 1. Right now is what it feels like in Springfield, 9 in Lake Ozarks, and high pressure right now is sliding off to the east. And as it slides off to the east, look at the winds. Here comes Friday. Hey, you could see the winds really strong out of the southwest. Oh gosh, you really want to play. Yesterday he was quiet. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we have a different dog. Our west winds start to move in, and it gets even warmer heading into Saturday. Notice the system rolling just down to the south. Clear skies this afternoon. Okay, take a look at future temperatures here. Future temperatures bring highs. Oh, I'm sorry, bud. Okay, he's a warrior. Griffey, he's coming back. 54 for afternoon temperature on Friday. I think we get to 56. I think we are all reaching 70, at least down to the southwest. At least down to the southwest Saturday. Good chance at 70 degrees. We actually will thaw things out. He's making me work today. I thought men could multitask, right? All right, 26 tonight. It'll get a little bit, the fake throw, it worked.
Πάμε. Μπορεί οι κούρσες ταχύτητας του υποδρόμου να μας μαγεύουν. Μπορεί οι κούρσες ταχύτητας του υποδρόμου να μας μαγεύουν, ωστόσο υπάρχουν και άλλα είδη αγώνων με πρωταγωνιστές τα άλογα. Λοιπόν, μπορεί οι κούρσες ταχύτητας του υποδρόμου να μας μαγεύουν, ωστόσο υπάρχουν και άλλα είδη αγώνων. Μπορεί οι κούρσες ταχύτητας του υποδρόμου να μας μαγεύουν, ωστόσο υπάρχουν κι άλλα είδη. Τα θέλω αυτά. Σήμερα θα μιλήσουμε για τον ντρεσάζ, δηλαδή την ιππική δεξιοτεχνία. Καλά, καλά. Έλα ρε Φράγκη. Σήμερα θα μιλήσουμε... Μπορεί οι κούρσες ταχύτητας του υποδρόμου... Σήμερα θα μιλήσουμε για τον ντρεσάζ. Θα μου φάει τα αυτή. Σήμερα θα μιλήσουμε για τον ντρεσάζ. Την ιππική δεξιοτεχνία. Τι νερόπι. Αυτό μου λείπει τώρα, ναι. Μπορεί οι κούρσες ταχύτητας του υποδρόμου να μας συναρπάζουν. Σήμερα θα μιλήσουμε για τον ντρεσάζ. Την ιππική δεξιοτεχνία.
Cat owners out there probably know if you leave your cat alone, you're bound to come back to something interesting. Maybe a cup knocked over, maybe your cat chasing around something around the house. But check out this peekaboo cat. The cat found some entertainment in a McDonald's paper bag. Look at it. Watch out, you get paper cut, man. That's so cute. Look at that little peekaboo. Come on up.
Tail.
Come on, seriously, right? Come on. That's cute.
Can we just watch this all day?
It's cute.
Wait, one more time.
Wait for it, wait for it. It's like the Jack in the Box. Dude.
Can we just watch it again?
Yeah, remember the things you're like,
Wait, one more.
Pop.
Okay, I'm good. I'm crying.
She is crying, like literally. It's like the eclipse, Laura. Do not stare directly at the cat.
I am literally crying.
Don't stare directly at the cat.
This is why I get nothing done.
Take my eclipse glasses. You can't see it. I'm gonna go ahead and read this. You want me to read this? I'll go ahead and read this. Some people crumble under funny cat videos, but when a full scholarship is on the line, I'll take this. Oh, come on, don't start already.
Oh, there
don't
it
start
is.
already.
Wait. Good morning.
Jack in the Box. Pop goes the weasel. Ready? But wait for it. Here he comes. You can just do this forever. It's so cute.
Oh, everybody look. Kitty, kitty, kitty.
We're not doing any news today. We're going to sit here and do
hey.
2 hours. Try and have a bad day after watching that.
I know it.
You can't.
Wait.
One more time.
One more time.
All right. Let me take care of weather while she composes.
We're supposed to do this after the serious stories. That's a bit of a...
So funny. Just wait for it. Every time this cat is playing peekaboo. Do you see it? Can you read it?
I don't want to read it. I want to sit here and listen to you laugh. It's much more entertaining.
We showed this like 3 times. Can you go back to it?
The cat was find a McDonald's bag with a whole lot of grease in it, right? And he said, whoop.
Couple of fries.
Whoop.
Oh gosh, I love it. There it is. Wait, one more time.
Pop goes the kitty.
It startles me like I know it's coming, and it's still.
It's like a thing when you're a kid.